This is what's wild in New Hampshire by Wildlife Biologist Derek Corp. Hey, I'm back at Rye Harbor. I was here maybe 2 weeks ago now, and more construction. Not all the wharfs have been replaced yet. You see the dangling guardrail over there from some dock that was wiped out, and so they rebuilt some of the berms here and all along Route 1A. I just came down from Portsmouth. There's a big machine over there loading up big pieces of rock to place along. So this is kind of, Rye Harbor's been kind of the marshalling yard here to deposit stuff in to get it to other places. I think between Odeon Point and Rye Harbor, I went by 3 or 4 New Hampshire DOT crews working on various parts of Route 1A, just from Odeon Point here to Rye Harbor. And just beyond Rye Harbor, there's a single line of traffic, and the flagmen there are working on the road there. So much of the road was torn up. Here, when I stopped 2 weeks ago, not quite as evident, but see those boats over there? They were kind of all jumbled up. So there were big enough waves coming over the breakwater out there, over this, to stir up the boats over there during the January 13th storm, which wasn't even a big northeaster. It was just a storm. But it was the highest tide on record, what, 14.71 feet, something like that. You'd have to look it up for sure, but it was a record high tide here on the New Hampshire coast. And here, over a month later, work continues day to day here at the marshalling yard at Rye Harbor. There's a big, huge stone going into the back of that dump truck over there to be delivered somewhere along Route 1A to repair the riprap along the shore. Work continues here by New Hampshire DOT. A lot of damage, a lot of work to do. And can you imagine probably 5 feet of water where I'm standing here with waves during that storm? It must have been a sight to see. Not that you could be here, but anyways, check it out, Rye Harbor. Every couple of weeks I got to do my coastal tour. And here's some hammering on the boats over there. So they're getting ready for the summer season over there. They got those boats, of course, were high and dry. They're up on stanchions, but the ones over there, they took a beating over there a little bit. And there's some of the docks. Oh yeah, just doubling back to Rye Harbor, New Hampshire, checking on the repairs of Route 1A and the other structures here in New Hampshire that were significantly damaged by that January storm. In fact, there were about 2 in a week, 2 huge storms here on the coast, and worse yet on the main coast. Oh yeah, Rye Harbor, New Hampshire. Was it Wednesday the 21st of February today?